analytics. I'm so excited. So TikTok has analytics. I didn't even know that. I don't know if it's a new feature or if I just missed it, but anyone who knows me knows that I am all about analytics, trying stuff. If it doesn't work, figuring out in the analytics what's working, what's not. And so now that I know that TikTok has analytics, I'm all in. So I'm gonna be creating a lot more content on YouTube, on TikTok. I don't think I'm selling a course or anything like that. I don't wanna get into it in that way, but in general, I want to focus on TikTok now that it has analytics. Not only does it have analytics, but it has very detailed analytics, like what your audience is watching, the territories, like very detailed analytics. So I'm going to get into showing you a review of their analytics. And then one thing for me is I noticed that I actually didn't have the analytics. I had to enable it myself. So first I'm going to teach you how to enable it if you don't have it. Then I'm going to show you the different kind of tips and tricks for actually using analytics. You guys, I'm such a nerd. I'm so excited right now. So let's get into analytics. Okay, you're going to start by clicking on your profile in the bottom right-hand corner. And then you're going to go up to the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. So after you click on the 3 dots, you're going to click on Manage My Account. We have to switch your account to a pro account in order to get analytics. That's all the way at the bottom. You're going to click on Switch to Pro Account. Now, once this happens, it's going to take you through a quick tutorial because once you get it, you're not going to get this tutorial again. Now, once you get here, you're going to want to choose a category for your channel. Now, these categories are kind of like the YouTube categories, but remember, TikTok has to put you into a category. So spend some time figuring out which category you should belong to. I chose education because I'm going to be doing education on, digital marketing. But I am going to be doing like little skits and things like that. Just pick the one that you're going to be doing the most or what you want to focus on the most. So you click on OK, and then after you go through that, what's going to happen is you have the analytics button. However, when you click on analytics, you're going to notice that you don't have instant analytics. It says it takes 24 hours. Some of the information will be available in 24 hours. Other information might take up to 48 hours. I've noticed that it's a little kind of, staggered. All right, now that you have it on, you're going to want to wait your first 24 hours. Now, of course, you're going to want to have videos up there first. So post a video if you don't have it, but I would also do at least 1 or 2 videos now so you can actually see the analytics. What I love about TikTok analytics is they have your overall analytics. They also have analytics for each individual video. I'm going to show you mine, but keep in mind I only turned this on about, I'm going to say 40 hours ago. So some of my features are just trickling in. Also, I just posted some videos today. So I'm going to show you what I have so far. Let's go. Again, I want to tell you, I don't have all of my analytics because I just turned it on. If you want me to do a follow-up, I'll probably actually post it on Instagram, or let me know if you have questions and I'll come in here. But on the first page, what you'll see is the overview. So it gives you how many video views, how many followers, and you can do 7 days versus 28. But remember, I just started, so it's just kind of figuring out the data. I'm telling you that because as you go through, each time I come in, more and more information is in here. I'm going to go to the content tab, which is the second tab, and you'll notice that your last or your previous post, and it says your top 7, but I see 6, but I can click on view all to see all of my all 7, right? But it tells you the post, but it tells you the last 7 posts in the last week that I've had, right? It also has trending posts. Now, next to each of these descriptions, you'll see a little eye. I'm going to click on that because trending, you might think is going viral, but what they're explaining trending to be is your top 9 videos that are growing the fastest. So I love this because you're in competition with yourself right now. So it's telling you what type of content does the best on your channel. I'm going to call it a TikTok channel. So again, I just posted those other videos, so we're going to wait. The video down the second row, the first video is actually something I posted yesterday. So I'm glad that that's trending. Actually, everything on that row are tips and tricks for digital marketing, which is what I want to do on TikTok. So it lets me know that people like this content. All right. The last tab is your followers. This is the part that I love, and I cannot wait until I get enough data to actually show me everything. 70% is female, tells me the territories where everyone is. Now, this is the information I want to get to. So I need to create a lot more videos and get a lot more views. If it's anything like Facebook, there's a certain amount of people that need to view, engage, etc. before they show you that data. They don't want to give you personal data with a small set of people because you can kind of pick them out, right? So they don't want to actually show you that until you have enough data to kind of mask who it is. But it tells you when their activity is. Notice the times of day when your followers are most active, so you can actually post your videos at that time. Also the times of week when your followers are most active. The other thing is, and keep in mind that the time is UTC. So I'm in Eastern time, so I need to actually calculate that. The other things are videos your followers watched. I cannot wait to get this because that tells me exactly what they like. So I can look and see what type of videos they like, maybe snatch the song or the filter or kind of mimic some things. Remember, if your purpose is to do this for marketing or to get a certain audience, you're going to want to do what your audience likes. But if you're just playing around, just keep on going and try different things, right? And again, when you have a small audience, the only way I would take this into consideration is if I have the right audience. What does that mean? Remember my content, and actually 4. Now I can see there's 4 or 5 videos that, nope, it's down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of my videos is about tips and tricks. So this seems to be the right audience, right? And also it looks like my audience likes duets. So that's good. Now, if I had my audience only liked my top 9 or trending videos were all of my goofy videos and none of my content tips, I may not want to use the data on followers to create content because I want to try to find new followers that fit into that criteria. Hopefully you kind of followed me. If you're getting the right followers and the right engagement, then use the data to get more people like that. If you're not getting the right people, then what you're going to want to do is create different content until you get it right. Okay, the last one is sounds. And so when you're on TikTok, you'll know that there's like videos, there's sounds, there's filters. If you don't know about all of that information, head over to my TikTok full tutorial. It's for beginners and old people, meaning anyone over 30. So yeah, again, TikTok is really, really fun. Oh, one more thing I want to show you, is on your actual TikTok video.
TikTok hacks, how to use the voice changer.
Now I did that quick, but in the bottom right-hand corner, you see 3 dots, then you see analytics. I can look at the analytics for each particular video. So I can see the total play time. And again, this one I just posted this morning. So I got to wait 24 to 48 hours to get these details, but traffic source type. So I can see whether it comes from the For You page, which I already know because thank you to my first comment here.
You're simply going to record or upload your video, click voice changer in your top right-hand corner.
Okay, so my first comment told me that they found me on the For You page, but it will tell you personal profile, following, a particular sound, a search, hashtag. These are very detailed analytics that I can use. So if people always find me from my sound, that means that I can use that sound over and over again if it works for me, right? So you want to kind of gear towards whatever the analytics is telling you. The other one is your audience territories, the number of users who watched your videos and the distribution of viewers by territory. Again, I can't wait to see this information. I'm really looking forward to getting into these details. If you have any more questions about TikTok, let me know because I will be creating a lot of TikTok videos. Here is my profile. It is sociallynina. And keep in mind with TikTok, you go to tiktok.com/@ and then the profile name. So it's sociallynina. If you're watching this on a computer or on the TV, you can pick up your phone and you can actually scan this and go directly to my TikTok profile. I cannot wait to see you guys there. Tag me if you found me from this video, because I I'm having fun here. Now I need to stop playing in it and get back to work, but I'm having fun. And I like stuff where I can have fun again and try new stuff. See you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.